Hello YouTube. Got a hobby shop haul. Bunch of Greenlight and Johnny Lightning. First up, let's start out with the Hot Wheels. This one is a NASCAR, and it's not a Hot Wheels. NASCAR, but I'm not sure who makes it. Licensed. And I'm not seeing who makes it. Oh, it's Spin. Spin Master makes it. Which it's a burgundy Jeff Gordon car. I do like Jeff Gordon. He was my favorite racer back when he was a rookie. This was just a really nice variation of a race car of his, so wasn't much. And then I got this, which I never found in the store. I got all the cars from this golf set, but this one. I think. Maybe, you know what? It was a Volkswagen. I have this one. It was a Volkswagen I never got. I think they were one to the case, so I never got a Volkswagen. So I'm not going to crack that one open. We got a Johnny Lightning. Pretty cool. I've been actually wanting this Dodge Viper for a while. And this blister is really yellowed and trashed, so it needed freed. Look how yellow that is. Looks like it's been in a smoker's house for 20 years. What year did this come out? Hey, Johnny Lightning, they can be hard to find the year sometimes. Gotta be down there somewhere. Oh well, whatever year this was. Has that same Dodge Viper as the other one. Like to say this is a 99. Definitely a Playing Manus era. Awesome looking race decos on it. Really nice Dodge Viper casting. Does have rubber tires, and they are really soft rubber. Metal base. Nice rear detail. Nice. So a couple race cars, which is kind of odd for me. I don't pick up a whole lot of race cars, although I do like race cars. Then we got a 1969 Chevy Camaro Z28. This is a Johnny Lightning hot rod. And this is from 2005. And this is a RC2 Air. So if you didn't know, Johnny Lightning has exchanged hands quite a few times over the years. Of course, this Camaro has awesome detail. Does have plastic two-piece tires, but look at the detail on the chassis. This is, I think, all painted detail. I don't think anything's a separate piece like on our Ertl. It's all separate pieces. But awesome detail. Even have the blue engine block. Opening hood. Pretty detailed under the hood. This is a really heavy casting. It feels very well made. Nice rear detail with a little hidden license plate under there. Not sure what it says. Detail. Really awesome casting. And we have a 1982 Ford Mustang G. Couldn't help to pick this up just because there was only 1,800 made. I do not know if I have one of these loose or not. I'm gonna have to check on that before I crack it. This one will be cracked open in the future if I don't have one loose. Just because there was only 1,800 made, it was hard for me to pass it up for $5. Then we have a greenlight 1969 Datsun 510 in the pre-racing livery. It does have a little stick driver. So that's pretty cool. I like collecting these little race car drivers. But of course, this 510 is the star of the show. I'm not going to pick up the yellow one and all the other funky colors that they came out with. But man, I thought this looked pretty awesome in black. So I just had to pick it up in black. Get lens tail lights. Painted headlights. It should have an opening hood. Yep. Looks like a little 4-cylinder in it. Pretty good detail on the motor. Shuts nice. Really awesome little casting. Happy to have it. And the last one is a 2013 Ford Explorer from the country roads. Does not have a green peg on it, but it is from 2014. So it's not that old, but I don't think they've released this a whole bunch of times in a civilian deco like this. It's usually a police vehicle, so really happy to have it. Got lens headlights, lens tail lights, Series 11 country roads. I'm not going to crack this open at this time. I'm going to save this one for a future video when I get out more Ford Explorers. So not a real big hobby shop haul, but some pretty cool cars. Let me know which one was your favorite. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and please leave comments. Thank you.